this is kind of a bonus. I wanted to give you guys a little quick tutorial on how to airdrop and multi-airdrop these tokens. Let's say you're in a situation where your holder base doesn't want to go through the trouble of claiming. This could be true, especially if you have a particular holder base that might be mad at you. They might be pretty angry at how things went. So you might want to just, bite the bullet and pay the gas money to airdrop to people. Or let's say there's some other mistake that you want to handle. By making a airdrop function, you can give yourself that kind of flexibility to transfer these V2 tokens as well. So the way that works is okay, and so what we just did was we're taking a single address and we are inputting an array of IDs that we want to send. So what that looks like is we're creating another for loop. And for each ID, that's what this array is. You're just transferring from this address again to the address that you input. Now for the multi-airdrop, it's very similar, but it just looks like this. So as you can already see, what's different here is that instead of one loop, what do we have? Oh, I forgot. Instead of one loop, what we're gonna do is for every address now that we have, we are actually going to create another array. And we're just going to let the get v1 token IDs function do the work for us. So we're going to check what they have in their wallet. And we're just going to give it to them because they don't want to burn what they have. So we'll just airdrop. So now you have that second array, or that second for loop rather, sorry. And for each of those IDs, we're just going to do v2 transfer. Okay, and one more thing that we can add. Let's say you have people who just kind of exit the project and you lose communication altogether. Let's do something where we can get the old NFTs back, just in case we want them to do something with them. I don't know what, but it's always good practice anyway to be able to remove your assets after the contract is finished. One other thing that you can do, let's say after you withdraw, this might be a topic for a different video, but one thing I learned about Ethereum is that you can actually get a little gas refund if you include a function called self-destruct. And it's basically what you use, and it's your reward for removing your contract from the blockchain, right? So it's returning you, or it's refunding you a certain amount of gas that you used. But again, I'll talk about it in another video. It's a perfect application for something like this, where it has single purpose and you're not going to use it for anything else. So why not just help clean up the blockchain a little bit and get some money back? Okay, so now we have our airdrop, multi-airdrop, and our withdrawal unclaimed. Now let's test out our airdrop functions. So for airdrop functions, what we're going to test out is we are going to have our V2 NFTs in this contract that we can then send to whoever we want. So what we're going to want to do first is we want to take that NFT claim contract and just make sure that for the V2 NFTs, we actually have them available to send. So we can still implement a wallet of owner, and you see we have all of these available to us. So the first one that we're going to want to do is we can go ahead and plug into airdrop a list of NFTs, and we're going to send them to this second address, or let's send it to this address here. All I need to do is copy it, and we're going to airdrop. Let's airdrop some random ones. Let's airdrop 25, 28, 29, 31, 37, something like that. And let's send them. Perfect, so that airdrop works fine. Let's just test it out. Let's check the balance, or let's check the wallet of, rather, for Doom 2. Okay, 25, 28, 29, 31, 37. Okay, so for multi-airdrop, we are going to send to 2 other addresses. And I believe we need to separate them with double quotes, just like this. And let's go ahead and, okay, and that worked perfectly. Let's just go ahead and check that second one for Doom 2. Wallet of owner 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now the last one that we want to do is, let's say no one else withdraws. Let's go ahead and just withdraw everything that we want by ID. So for that, let's check to see what we have left in the contract first. So got a lot. So here, let's take I don't know, let's take 11, 12, 26, 27. I don't know, just pick a couple. And let's just withdraw those versions. 10, 11, 27, 28, 39. And if you're following along at home, the reason why you saw 1, 2, 3 again is I had to redo it. But okay, so let's go ahead and look to see, just to check, make sure those are gone. And yep, sure enough, they're gone. So there you have it. That is our little additional airdrop, multi-airdrop, and withdraw unclaimed NFTs to help you kind of get rid of any stuck NFTs or make sure you don't get anyone stuck or unused.